Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps. They should be on the third position. Now let's tap on Special App Access, and here we have to find the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. Of course, you can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher here. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. But be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that. So, of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and it will work the same if you want to turn off the permission. So just tap on the Chrome in my case and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.